Everybody, Steve Tristan here with Steve Tristan's Best.
And he's here with Aidan.
And today we'd like to show you how to repair a Sentry security screen door.
Not just a Sentry security screen door, we're replacing the handle and locking mechanism.
It has the deadbolt too, right?
Yes, it has the deadbolt.
A keyed deadbolt.
Yes.
So the Sentry security screen door is having an issue with the older locks. Now what is going on is the lock spring inside is breaking. It's been happening for years. So the manufacturer of the screen door, actually now they have improved upon it and have created a new locking mechanism that doesn't do that. Unfortunately, it's not interchangeable with this door. The specific door, the way the holes are, it's different now. So it will leave extra holes in the door, so you can't really interchange it. So we've ordered an old locking mechanism for this customer, and we're going to replace it with the old one. Obviously, eventually after years, it may wear, just like the other one did. Okay?
So what you're going to need for your tools is this Phillips screwdriver and this box of components that you have for the door handle. This is all the stuff that you need in order to put it together.
Got it. So want to get started?
Yeah.
Let's get started.
And I'm busted.
Okay, so if you see the latch, the way that it would need to be installed, it's the opposite direction. This is meant for it being on the opposite side, which would be for right, because this door handle could be left or right. So it's set for right. So when it needs to be left, we need to be able to reverse this. There's an instruction on how to do that. So I'm going to show you how to do it.
Sure.
Okay, so the instructions are here. I'm going to just read this out to you. So it says, the radius of the latch bolt should face the inside door stop when door is closed. Latch bolt may not be in the position you desire because of right and left hand swinging screen doors. In order to change the direction of the latch bolt, follow these instructions. So disassemble the handle set. So if it was on, you disassemble it. Press the lever handle down approximately 30 degrees and remove the single bolt on the A diagram 1, which is here, which basically on this set, meaning it's that screw. So what we do is you pull this down 30 degrees, which basically you see opens and closes it. So down 30 degrees, what Aidan takes off the screw. Okay, then you release it, and then I'm going to release a little more. Now you can pull this out, slide it out. Okay, now flip it over, hold on, okay, then you back in. Okay, push this back, wait, back in place. Put the screw back in. You're not aligned. You're going crooked.
Got it.
Make sure the screw's straight. There you go.
It's not there. A little bit.
There?
Yeah. No, something was blocking my way is all. There you go. Done.
Okay. Then we put it back in. Then we test it, make sure it works. It does. So then this comes out, that comes out, and you're going to put this in into the door. Ready?
Yeah.
Goes on the other side.
Another side.
Okay, you can see how this comes with. This is the lock.
I see.
It comes with the screws. This is a specific screw that connects that lock. It's a machine screw, brass, and the keys.
No, it's a 4-pin lock. Let's see here.
Slide it in.
4-pin lock.
Keep it straight. That side.
Oh, it's a 5-pin lock.
Okay.
It's a 5-pin lock, so that's pretty good.
Make sure it's lined up with the with the hole. There's a hole in there. There you go.
It's
Just make sure it's lined up.
See, now it won't come out because it's lined up.
Push that back. And then you see how this kind of has a shift here? Is the hole lined up when I lift it a little? It does, right?
Now you have to get your machine screw. Line it up.
Why don't we use a cordless drill for this
Oh,
on machine screws?
because it could tear it. It could mess it up.
Just strip the screws.
Okay,
Yeah.
yeah.
The torque on our drills are super strong. Is that good?
Tighten the bottom one a little more.
Don't over torque it though.
It's just, I thought it was kind of loose as well.
Looks like it works. Do it like this. Do it like that. Now do it again. Okay. It's already has one. See that lock?
Look at that. You
There's the
got your key.
See if it matches, huh? Shake it. Is it locked? Can't get in.
Let me in. Oh, wait, I have a key. Look at that.
So that's how we do it,
Mm-hmm.
right? Good job. Take care. God bless.
And we'll catch you next time.
Hey, wait, don't forget to give that video a thumbs up.
Don't forget to subscribe and select the alert notification so you can see anything that we have coming out. Take care. Get your screen doors at bestcustomscreens.com, and I'll catch you guys next time.